Remedies presents
How to perform self-healing ancient technique at home. Can I ask you something? Did you know that your hands hold an innate healing power that has been used for centuries for healing various ailments? The answer to this question is yes. Yes, it's possible to reach a state of peace and harmony just with your hands, and this technique is called mudra or so-called hand yoga. Mudra, a Sanskrit word, means a symbolic hand gesture that has the power of producing joy and happiness. Mudras help to link the brain to the body, soothe pain, stimulate endorphins, change the mood, and increase our vitality. The position of our hands has the ability to influence energy of our physical, emotional, and spiritual body. It is believed that the human body has 5 elements: fire, air, space, water, earth. Thumb is fire, index finger is air, middle finger is space, ring finger is water, pinky finger is earth. In today's video, I will share with you 2 best healing mudras which you can easily perform at home. Number 1. Gyan Mudra for healing. This is called the Mudra of Knowledge. Directions. To perform this mudra, lightly touch the tip of the thumb with the tip of the index finger, keeping the other fingers straight but relaxed. Do this with both the right and left hand and hold for at least a few minutes. Benefits. This mudra will help you relax your mind and it will improve the ability to concentrate. It will also keep your brain power sharp and smart. And one last thing, its regular practice will help you reduce stress and depression. Number 2. Prana healing. Prana mudra means energy or spirit of life. Directions. To start, keep your eyes closed and focus on your breath. Bring your hands to your sides and touch the tips of your ring finger and pinky finger to your thumb. Leave your index and middle finger pointed straight. Feel the surge of prana moving through your body. Benefits. It enhances vital energy in the body and help you boost your immune system as well. Performing this mudra will also help you prevent tiredness, cure eye problems, and increase eye power. When to perform mudras? There should be a gap of minimum 30 minutes after food. One should not practice immediately after food. Otherwise, in any part of the day, mudra can be safely practiced 15 to 20 minutes sittings 2 to 3 times a day or single sitting for 30 to 45 minutes. These techniques are extremely effective due to the huge amount of nerve endings in our fingers and the positive effect they provide when pressed in a specific way. You just need a few minutes of your time to reach a state of absolute relaxation. It's very simple. You just have to follow the simple instructions. So I recommend all of you to practice this and share your experience with everyone.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.